Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the oil barrel in Icarus. First of all, open your tech tree, tier 5, and here you'll need the manufacturer, aluminium screw, oil can, and finally the oil barrel unlocked. To craft the oil barrel, you want to have the manufacturer built, and inside you can see it costs 35 steel ingots and 15 aluminium screws. The aluminum screws can be made from aluminum ingots inside of the manufacturer, and steel ingots can be made from crafting steel bloom in the mortar and pestle and then smelting them in a furnace. Finally, we can craft the oil barrel. And once it's done crafting, we can store it in our big inventory slot, which is in here. And to fill it up, we can put it in our natural oil refiner, and it's going to start storing the oil inside. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.